In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh data on Looker Studio. Navigating the quickly evolving landscapes of data can be a formidable challenge. However, platforms like Looker Studio make it significantly easier by offering us powerful tools to visualize our data. One key aspect of ensuring the accuracy and relevancy of these visualizations is regularly refreshing our data sources. So let's dive into how you can keep your Looker Studio dashboards up to date with the latest data from your connected sources. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Looker Studio website. Simply type in lookerstudio.google.com into your web browser's address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the homepage of Looker Studio. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll see a variety of options available. Your next step is to click on Home. This action leads you further into the portal and closer to managing your reports. The system will prompt you to enter your email address. This is a critical step as it verifies your identity and ensures secure access to your data and reports. Carefully enter the email address associated with your Looker Studio account, making sure it's free of typos or errors. After entering your email, you're required to input your password. This additional level of authentication protects your data and personal information. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button. You'll now be granted access to your Looker Studio dashboard, a centralized space where you can create, manage, and view reports. Your next step is to navigate to the Looker Studio section. If you're not automatically directed there, look for a link or a menu option labeled Looker Studio. This might be prominently displayed or nestled within a drop-down menu depending on the interface updates. Upon arriving in the Looker Studio section, you're going to look for your report. For the purposes of our tutorial, we'll refer to it as Black Report. Click on the report's name to open it. This action will lead you to the dashboard where you've visualized your data. Within your report, identify the data source you want to refresh. In our example, you'll click on Google Sheets. This represents the connection between your report and the stored data within a Google Sheet. After selecting Google Sheets, your next focus is on a specific data set. For this instance, let's say it's called Clients. Click on Clients to choose this specific data set for refreshing. This specificity ensures you're updating the right segment of your data. Now click on Add. This might seem a bit counterintuitive as you're not adding new data, but rather refreshing existing data. However, this option sometimes covers multiple functionalities, including the adjustment of your dataset selections. Once you've clicked on Add, you'll move on to highlighting the specific data or fields you wish to refresh. Click on Highlight to mark these fields. This step crucially tells Looker Studio which parts of your dataset need updating. Now that you've selected the specific data to refresh, click on Resource. This will broaden your options related to data management within your report. Under Resource, locate and click on Manage Added Data Sources. This will take you to a section where you can see all the data sources currently feeding into your report. In this space, find the particular data source you're working with and click on Edit. This allows you to modify or update the connection settings for your selected data source. Finally, to actualize the refresh of your data, click on Refresh Fields. This is the moment where Looker Studio reaches out to your data source, pulls in any new or updated information, and applies it to your report. After completing these steps, your data will be refreshed, ensuring that your Looker Studio reports are as up-to-date as possible. Remember, regularly refreshing your data is key to maintaining the accuracy and relevancy of your reports. This not only aids in better decision making, but also ensures that your visualizations reflect the latest insights. By following these detailed instructions, you can efficiently refresh your data within Looker Studio, keeping your reports accurate and insightful. Whether you're analyzing sales trends, website traffic, or any other metric, up-to-date data is crucial. So take the time to refresh your data sources regularly and make the most of the powerful visualizations that Looker Studio offers. Thank you for walking through this process with me, and here's to insightful data-driven decision making.